Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaliva. Today we are going to do the problems from the chapter Fractions exercise 5.12. Okay, first question. The product of two numbers is 2 by 3. One of the number is 8. Find the other. Here product of two numbers is given, that is 2 by 3. One of the number is given, that is 8. Here we are going to find the other. To find the another number, we have to divide the product of two numbers by the given one number. Let us start the solution. Product of two numbers is equal to 2 by 3. One of the number is 8. Now we are going to find the other number. We have to divide the product of two numbers, that is 2 by 3 by the given one number 8. Here 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. We have to convert it into an improper. For that we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. Then we have to add the numerator. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 by 3 divided by 8. Here to divide the fraction 8 by 3 by 8, we are going to multiply the fraction 8 by 3 by the reciprocal of 8. What is the reciprocal? 1 by 8. Now we have to reduce the numbers. Here we can reduce 8 and 8. One time, here one time. Here no other possibilities to reduce. So we have to multiply the numbers which are in numerator. 1 into 1, 1 divided by denominator 3 into 1, 3. So the other number is 1 by 3. The other number is 1 by 3. Here the product of two numbers is given. One of the number is given. To find the another number, we are dividing the product of two numbers by the given one number. So the another number is 1 by 3. Is it clear, children? The next question. Silpa has bought 3 kg of dry fruits. She wants to pack them in gift pack of 1 by 4 kg each. How many gift packs will she be able to make? Here she bought 3 kg of dry fruits. She wants to pack them in each pack 1 by 4 kg. Now we have to find the number of packs she will make. Okay. So we have to divide. Okay. Divide the quantity she bought divided by 1 by 4 kg. Okay. So quantity of dry fruits she bought is equal to 3 kg. Quantity of dry fruits she wants to pack in one gift pack is equal to 1 by 4 kg. Now we are going to find the number of gift packs. She will make. For that we have to divide the quantity she bought divided by the quantity she will pack in one pack. Here so 3 kg divided by 1 by 4 kg. Kg cancel. Here to divide the number 3 by 1 by 4, we are going to multiply the number 3 by the reciprocal of 1 by 4. The reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. Here in denominator we are having only 1. So we have to multiply 3 into 4, 12. This is the number of packs she will make. Number of gift packs she will make. Okay. So let us write the answer. Shilpa can make 12 gift packs. Is it clear, children? To find the number of gift packs he will make, we are dividing the quantity of dry fruits we bought by the quantity of dry fruit she wants to pack in one gift pack. 3 kg divided by 1 by 4 kg, we are getting 12 packs. So, she can make 12 gift packs. Is it clear? The next question. How many pieces of 1 by 4 meter length can Shreya cut from a tape of length 6 1 by 2 meter? Here the whole tape, the length of the whole tape is 6 1 by 2 meter. From this he wants to cut the small pieces of length 1 by 4 meter. Now we are going to find the number of pieces she can cut. For that we have to divide the length of the whole tape by the length of one piece. So solution, length of the tape is 6 1 by 2 meter. Here then length of one piece is equal to 1 by 4 meter. Now we are going to find the number of pieces she can cut. For that we have to divide the length of the tape by the length of one piece. So 6 1 by 2 meter divided by 1 by 4 meter. So meter cancel. Here 6 1 by 2 is an mixed fraction, we have to convert it into improper. So 6 into 2, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. To divide the fraction 3 by 2 by 1 by 4, we are going to multiply the fraction 13 by 2 by the reciprocal of 1 by 4. The reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. Now we can reduce the numbers 2 and 4 in 2 table. 2 table 1 time, here in 2 table 2 times. Now we have to multiply the numbers 13 into 2 in numerator. In denominator we are having 1. So we have to multiply the numerator numbers alone. 13 into 2 we will get 26. Okay, this is the number of pieces she can cut. Is it clear? So let us write the answer. Shreya can cut 26 pieces. Okay. To find the number of pieces she can cut, we are dividing the length of the tape by the length of one piece. Here 6 1 by 2 meter divided by 1 by 4 meter, we are getting 26. So Shreya can cut 26 pieces. Is it clear, children? The next question. Sumit travelled 6 2 by 3 kilometer in 1 by 3 hours. How much distance will he travel in 1 hour? Here he travels 6 2 by 3 kilometer in 1 by 3 hours. Now we are going to find the distance he will travel in 1 hour. Okay, so that we have to divide. Solutions. Distance traveled in 1 by 3 hours is equal to 6 2 by 3 kilometer. Now we are going to find the distance he will travel in 1 hour. Distance he will travel in 1 hour. For that we are going to divide the distance travel in 1 by 3 hour divided by 1 by 3. Okay, here both the fractions are mixed fractions. So first we have to convert it into improper fraction. For that we have to multiply the denominator and the whole number part. Then we have to add the numerator. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2 20. 20 by 3 kilometer divided by, here 1 into 3, 3 plus 1 4 by 3. Okay, here to divide the fraction 20 by 3 by 4 by 3, we are going to multiply the fraction 20 by 3 by the reciprocal of the second fraction 4 by 3. What is the reciprocal of 4 by 3? That is 3 by 4. Now we have to reduce the numbers. Here we can reduce 3 and 3, isn't it? Then we can reduce 20 and 4 in 4th table. In 4th table 1 time, in 4th table 5 times. Here in denominator we are having 1 alone. Here in numerator 5 into 1. So here we have to write kilometer. So 5 kilometer. So Sumit will travel 5 kilometer in 1 hour. Distance he will travel in 1 hour is equal to 5 kilometer. Is it clear, children? So we have to write the answer. Sumit will travel 5 kilometer in 1 hour. Is it clear? To find the distance he will travel in 1 hour, here we are dividing 6 2 by 3 kilometer by 1 by 3. First we have to convert the improper mixed fractions to improper fractions. After that we have to multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Then we are getting 5. So Sumit will travel 5 kilometer in 1 hour. Is it clear, children? To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest update. Thank you, children.